This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Jack Williams. Beautiful 4-bedroom 2.5 bath home, great open floor plan. The property has recently been updated. Open floor plan, good size formal dining and living areas. The property includes a large media room on the second floor which includes luxury movie chairs, projector and Bose sound system. The home is local to schools and easy access to 288 Freeway and local retail. The home has been well cared for. The home is move-in ready for you to enjoy. Early showing is recommended for this home. For more information, review the details below.